Why are you looking down? Eva! Eva! Hi! Eva! Hi! Hello!
She like it?
Yeah, kinda. Hi, Eva! It's your first time on a swing. Whee! I think she's starting to like it now. Oh.
Wait,
Uh-oh. Oh. Okay, she's getting squirmy now.
Here, take this. Here, hold that. There you go. Okay, you don't like it, huh?
She don't like to lose control of herself.